Every morning, 8 billion people around the world squeeze a tube of toothpaste. But have you ever wondered how this essential product is actually made? Inside these state-of-the-art facilities, precision meets science as automated systems measure ingredients down to the milligram. Welcome to one of the most advanced toothpaste manufacturing facilities on Earth, where nature meets cutting-edge technology. Pharmaceutical precision, each batch measured to exact specifications for maximum end effect.
But before this magic happens, the journey begins far from the factory floor, in lush green fields where nature provides the foundation.
Our story begins here, on sprawling organic peppermint farms where the signature flavor of your toothpaste is born.
Silver agriculture, it's fairly modern ecology, each plant, share for houses.
Modern GPS harvesters.
The still living surface log mint wade. Log.
Eucalyptus leaves from sustainable plantations provide additional therapeutic oils that give premium toothpastes their distinctive cooling sensation.
Specialized extraction facility.
Every leaf is thoroughly washed in triple-filtered UV sterilized water to remove any impurities before the extraction process begins. Inside towering distillation chambers, precisely controlled steam passes through the plant material, drop by precious drop, pure essential oil separates of mint leaves to produce just 1 pound of oil.
Every batch of essential oil undergoes rigorous laboratory testing. Gas chromatography analysis ensures purity exceeds pharmaceutical standards.
Most advanced oral care manufacturing facilities, where science transforms natural ingredients into the toothpaste you use every day. Before entering the production floor, every team member passes through multi-stage decontamination, maintaining filtered air showers remove microRESIS particles, the final step before accessing the ultra-clean production environment. Certified suppliers around the world, each ingredient verified, tested, and logged into the facility's digital tracking system. Every incoming ingredient batch is quarantined and tested. Only materials meeting our exacting quality standards proceed to production.
A network of pneumatic tubes transports powdered ingredients from sealed storage silos directly to mixing stations, eliminating contamination risks.
The most abundant ingredient in toothpaste undergoes 7-stage purification, exceeding even
Welcome to the heart of toothpaste production, where massive mixing vessels combine over a dozen ingredients into the perfect formula.
Is added in precise sequence, humectants like sorbitol first, which keep toothpaste from drying out in the tube.
Particles, each precisely sized, provide gentle cleaning action while protecting your tooth enamel from damage.
Natural binding agents derived from plant cellulose give toothpaste its smooth, consistent texture and prevent ingredient separation.
Now our carefully extracted peppermint oil joins the formula, providing the refreshing flavor that signals a clean mouth in a specialized containment area. The concentration precisely controlled to deliver maximum cavity protection safely.
It's who's creating colorants.
Moves microscopic air bubbles, ensuring the smooth, consistent texture consumers expect when they squeeze the tube.
Vintage mist, yet convinced these samples will undergo comprehensive laboratory analysis.
pH levels, viscosity, fluoride concentration, microbial counts, over 50 individual tests must pass before batch approval. Approved toothpaste travels through dedicated sanitary pipelines to the filling hall, a journey of just 200 feet taking only minutes.
With all tests verified, the quality manager digitally releases the batch, instantly authorizing the filling lines to begin operation.
This single filling hall can produce over 1 million tubes of toothpaste per line, each line a marvel of precision. 'Every tube passes through 11 automated inspection points, X-ray that each only perfect products to continue.
Automated cartoners work at remarkable speed, folding boxes, inserting tubes, and sealing cartons in one continuous motion. And now, in your bathroom, That journey from leaf to paste is complete. Thanks for watching.